Today we are going to talk about Amazon S3. So S3 is nothing but it's a simple storage service. So just go to services and click S3 here and click the scalable storage in the cloud, and you will be redirected to S3 console. So I have already created a bucket, and let us try to create another bucket. So the name of the bucket should be unique. So let us try. And if you have any website, you can directly copy those policies here, and instead of going through these steps, so you can just directly click it instead of going through the steps. But let us see the steps. So versioning is nothing but if you have an index page in your bucket and you have done a small change to that index bucket and uploaded again, so if you click this checkbox, that means you have two index pages, so it's going to prevent the accidental deletes. So I'm just not going through this, and these are the tags, and you can add any number of tags during the productions. And I'm just leaving everything as default and clicking the next. So these are the axis of your buckets. So I'm just removing this and just click the next, and you can overview your settings that you have created right now and just create the bucket. So I have already created the bucket, so just click this. Now you can upload your website to this S3. So just click the upload button. You can directly drag or you can select the location and add the files. So I usually drag and drop. So I'm just dragging the files to this S3 console. So everything is done, just click the next button. So leave it as default and click the next. So here I'm going to use cache control and maximum age equal to 0. So it's nothing but it is equal to clicking the refresh, which means give me the latest copy unless I have already have the latest copy. Just click the save button so that you will be getting the latest copy always. Just click the next button. So these are your settings, and just click upload. It's going to take a while as the files are more. So S3 achieves high availability by replicating the data across multiple servers within the Amazon data center. So the files have been uploaded, and just go to the properties. Go to static or website hosting. So use the bucket to host the website. So here you need to give the index document and the header document. So my index document is hosting.html, and if I have any other document, I'll mention here and just click save. So whenever you are downloading a template, make sure you find the starting page. So it started, so just click the link. So we are getting an error that is 403 forbidden. So we need to give public access. So we need to change our bucket policy. So just go to permissions, and go to bucket policy. So here you need to write the policy. So just go to policy generator, so select the policy type. So it's 3 bucket policy. So you can use star here, that is all the policies. So AWS services, and I'm clicking all the actions. I need to copy the ARN. So this is your ARN. Copy it and paste here, and generate the policy. So this is your policy, and just copy this policy and paste in this console. So now just save it. So you can see here the permissions, that is the bucket has a public access. So just refresh the link. So we are getting an error. So you can see here our website is opening, so it's loading. So similarly, you can host your website in the similar manner that we have uploaded right now. So this is just a template that I have downloaded from the website. So you can make your own website and in the S3. So hope you guys have understood the concept of Amazon S3. And if you have liked the video, just click the like button below and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.